They're telling you that you can't do anything without them. But this is what's happening with your dreams. This is kind of the meat of this thing. If you've ever wanted to write a book, or you wanted to start a podcast, or you wanted to get singing lessons, or something that kind of takes you back to those dreams you wanted. See, nobody in that classroom when I was with those little kids said, I want to be an accountant when I get older. You didn't hear that. You didn't say, I want to be a receptionist, or I want to work at Target and, take over Linda's shift on a Saturday night. You never hear that. Now, I'm not insulting those things. I'm just saying this is what happens. We start to forget that we have these dreams and we just start to do things just to survive. But you still have those dreams in your head. What really makes me mad is talking about getting told no. They're telling you that you can't do anything without them. Now, I haven't paid a dime to have this podcast and over 200 episodes of this podcast. I have bought lights, I've bought cameras, I've paid for things like that, but nobody taught me how to do a podcast. So if you want to do a podcast, I got news for you. You can do it for free. You want to write a book, you can do it for free. You just need to do a little bit of research. And you know what? As bad as AI can be for some things, this is a good way to use AI. You go on to Chat GPT and say, I want to write a book. What are the steps to writing a book? And it'll give you legitimate stuff. It won't give you companies that you have to pay for. It could, but I don't think it would. So what I want you guys to understand is that you have everything inside of you to do anything you want to do. Don't let these programs and these ads and these people tell you and give you this advice that you can't do it without them, because you can absolutely do it without them.